Okay, in this video we're going to go ahead and set up the View Assist dashboard. Everyone's seen a dashboard before, but basically the dashboard holds the views, and for View Assist the dashboard also holds the basic framework of the display. It shows the things like the icons, notification icons at the top, and just basically is the core of the actually the base of the views. So what we'll do is go ahead and go to our Home Assistant instance. We'll scroll down to Settings, and then we'll go over to Dashboards, and then we'll click Add a Dashboard, New Dashboard from Scratch, and then we'll give it a title. I think that the one that I normally use is called View Assist without spaces, Assist. For icon, we'll use the eyeglass icon, glasses. So MDI:glasses, or you could just search for, I think you could just search for glasses. Yeah, and pick it. The dashboard is View Assist, and show in sidebar, and then we'll say create. So if we look at the sidebar here, scroll up, here is the new View Assist dashboard. We want to edit this to paste in some code. So we'll say edit dashboard, and then we'll hit the three dots, and we'll say raw configuration editor. Okay, so this is the YAML that comes in by default. We'll just highlight it all and delete it. And then if you go to the wiki, and I'll have this linked in the description, we've done all of these steps so far. And we'll say three dots, raw configuration editor, copy paste this YAML code. So we'll go ahead and click this this link to the raw code, and then we'll do a Control A to select all. We'll hit the Control C, or if you like, you could do it from the right-click menu and say copy, and then we'll go back to our View Assist window. Our Home Assistant window, and then we'll right-click, paste, or Control V paste, and this is the core. We've got about 300 lines of code, but at the top we will have to make a couple of changes. So by default, you will need to set up three of these variables: the assist group, which you've created, your weather entity, and the if you want to use 24-hour time or not. I use 12-hour time, AM, PM, so mine is set to false, but if you wanted this for 24-hour time, you would just change this text to true. So what we'll do is change these two values to what you've used. The easiest way for me to find that, and probably for you to find that, is to look in the developer options. So I'll just go ahead and open another instance of this same Home Assistant, and we'll scroll down to Developer Tools, States, and then in Entity we can filter. So let's look for the group first. So I'll type the word group, and we'll see that I only have this one group, but this is the one we want, View Assist Satellites. And if we hit the copy ID to clipboard, I'll just click that and go back to our parameters here, and I'll just go ahead and delete this, and then I'll right click paste, and we'll get it back. So yours may be different. A good chance it'll be default, because this is how I instructed for you folks to make this. And then one more time, we'll go back to developer options and check for the weather entity. So we'll just go back and we'll filter based on the weather, weather dot, and for this particular one, we are going to use the weather dot forecast underscore home. So we'll hit a copy, just like we did before. Go back here, we'll highlight this text, remove it, and then Control V to paste it. So this is the core of the dashboard. We can just hit save. 1 second. Okay, I discovered what the problem was. I had actually needed to keep the views title home. This won't be a problem. I'll go ahead and update the code that you copy paste, and you can follow along just like I showed and get there. But at the point after you have these configured, you can just hit the save, which I did. Hit save. It says saved, and then you can close out, and you'll be greeted with this. You can say done, and you are done for now. Of course, this doesn't show anything, but it does set us up for our next video, which will be configuring the actual views. This will be more fun. We'll be adding things like the clock and the info page, the weather page, and then a whole bunch of other add-on pages as we progress through extending the functionality of View Assist. I did fail to mention at the beginning that you do have to have the cards installed from the previous video. I'll also have that linked in the description. It is linked on the wiki page, which is here. Up here, you have to have these Lovelace cards installed before moving forward with the dashboard installation. That is it for now. Once again, I do ask for your support with a like and subscribe as we move one step closer to having View Assist running on your devices. Thanks again. If you have any questions, post it in the comments. We also have an active Discord with a link also in the description. Until next time, this is it.